I'm Damien Dooley, here to talk about TermHarvester, a Python script that goes and collects vocabulary for describing research variables and metadata, sample descriptions from reliable sources, trusted sources out on the internet. And so this is a tool that's been developed in conjunction with the Climate Smart Data Collaboration Center, and we're putting it to work on a few projects. I have 3 minutes to talk about it, so I'm going to rush through, but please contact me. Information is on this slide. So the challenge, of course, with these vocabularies is they are spread all over the place. They're not unified in some kind of encyclopedia. And they are in different formats, and they're often evolving or changing, trying to expand the scope of description in natural sciences and in the health sector, food, food space sector, which is what I'm involved in. So, how do we create a system that can collect the vocabulary, hierarchic branches of vocabulary that we want to describe data with? Well, we need a tool which we call TermHarvester, a script that will go and have the smarts to go fetch these vocabularies from the various sources that they exist in, whether they're ontologies, whether they're coming from agencies like AgriVoc, sponsored by the UN, whether they are coming from the USDA or StatsCan, or ontology lookup services. And so the language to describe exactly what terms to download, having a bit of smarts to know that we can just type in a term and have the system recognize where to get it from. And then having done all of that work, be able to press a button to create a schema that has all of these vocabularies in it. And then one extra step in case you're working with legacy data in your agency or projects that have already started with their own vocabularies, conversion script, which AI can help facilitate the development of, such that these vocabularies can be turned into the coding system that your own data operates with. So that's the challenge, and we have demonstrated the success of this. I'll just skim very quickly, visually through the various sources of ontology and the little configuration extracts that show you how to select branches of terms, particular menus, block terms from branches. And these sources can cover all of the life sciences, natural sciences, biomedical community, genomics, and just to say, uh, the whole thing is pretty well documented. There are a number of commands to run in sequence, and the documentation here talks about how, instructs you about how to set up a configuration file, specify how many languages you want to cover. Mm. And what the APIs are, what they can handle for retrieval. And finally, with the information down to the command level for using the tool. So I'd be happy to talk to you more about it. Here back at the first slide, and the GitHub repo as well has all of the code ready to go for running this. You don't need a Claude AI to be active on your computer to play around with it. So thank you for your time, and I hope to hear from you more about this.